This video shows how to buy shares of WisdomTree Investments Inc., a U.S. asset manager known for ETFs and exchange-traded products, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker WT. This content is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy WT, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WT to locate WisdomTree Investments Inc. Confirm the result matches the company name and that the listing is on NASDAQ. Open the WisdomTree stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Make sure the name, ticker WT, and NASDAQ listing are correct before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your WT position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.